Cambridge Internationalist Level Sociology, The Family. Arguments against Fit Thesis. Finch 1989 1. Finch 1989 examined the idea that before the process of industrialization, family obligations were much stronger and family members provided better support each other than in industrial or post-industrial societies. She didn't find little evidence to support the view of the pre-industrial period, and there is no evidence that extended families were the norm. Historical studies also show that have also shown that there was a wide range of household types in the pre-industrial. Another alternative suggestion is that industrialization and urbanization first occurred in Western Europe because pre-industrials were already mainly nuclear rather than extended, without unbreakable ties to extended kin were a contributing cause of industrial development. Although extended families did exist, they were not as common or dominant as fit theorists have suggested because average life expectancy was low, 30 to 40 years, so majority of adults did not live long enough to become grandparents. And extended families. Finch 1989 challenges the Fit Thesis, which suggests that extended families were the norm in pre-industrial societies, and that the shift to nuclear families was a result of industrialization. Finch's examination offers alternative perspectives and critiques the idea of stronger family support in pre-industrial societies. Here are explanations with examples. Weak evidence for pre-industrial extended families. Example: Finch research found little evidence to support the view that extended families were the norm in pre-industrial societies. Historical studies and demographic evidence did not overwhelmingly indicate that extended families were the dominant household structure. Diverse household types in pre-industrial societies. Example: Historical studies reveal a wide range of household types in pre-industrial societies. Instead of a uniform prevalence of extended families, there was considerable variation in how households were organized, challenging the idea that extended families were the standard family form. Industrialization in Western Europe and nuclear families. Example: Finch proposes an alternative suggestion that industrialization and urbanization occurred in Western Europe with the prevalence of nuclear families. The challenges This challenges the Fit thesis by suggesting that pre-existing nuclear family structures in Western Europe may have contributed to the region's early industrial development. Contribution of unbreakable ties to extended kin. Example: Finch argues that the absence of unbreakable ties to extended kin in Western Europe may have contributed to industrial development. In a society where individuals were not bound by strong obligations to extended family members, there might have been greater mobility and adaptability to the changing demands of industrialization. Life expectancy and extended families. Example: Finch highlights the impact of low average life expectancy, 30 to 40 years, in pre-industrial societies. With shorter lifespans, fewer individuals live long enough to become grandparents and participate in extended families. This challenges the notion that extended families were widespread due to the longevity of family members. Finn's argument provides a counter-narrative to the Fit thesis by questioning the assumed prevalence of extended families in pre-industrial societies and suggesting that diverse family structures existed even before industrialization. This perspective emphasizes the need for a nuanced understanding of historical family dynamics and challenges the idea of a universal progression from extended nuclear families.